Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use PDF Maker with your CRM Contact workflow. So at first you would go to your CRM and create a workflow. I'll create from scratch. Now I would just select an action, go to discover and search PDF Maker. Here you can see there are two actions, generate PDF for contact, generate PDF for opportunity. So currently I would be using contact. Now here you can see there are two fields, generated PDF name and select template. So generated PDF name is the name that you would give to your PDF after its generation, like the final PDF name. So let me just give the name contact first name. Now here I would select the template which I have created in my PDF maker for contact. So I'll select this one and save the action. Now to test it out, I'll just select a contact and run test. Now, when you have done this, you can go to execution logs to see the logs of that action. As you could say, it's already added to the workflow, it's waiting. So after a few minutes, you can check. So, so as you can see, that workflow is finished. So that means that PDF is generated. Now you can go to your PDF maker, and as I've connected contact new, so I will just run history. As you can see, the PDFs are generated. You can download it from where. Thank you.